So I saw a setup here that I want to pick a trade one earlier. So let me just pick some positions here before I explain. Okay, so these are my 4 positions open now. I'm buying gold. Okay, so we find it difficult to get our setup this week, but I got one that was Monday, and then this is another one that I'm getting. So we don't trade when we don't see setup. Okay, we only trade when we see setup. So this is one of my setup right here. So when we go to lower time frame, that is where I'm picking this trade. So when you see the lower time frame candle here, I'm supposed to enter this trade around here. Okay, but I wasn't online to check on this to pick the trade from this place. Okay, so that's why I'm entering very late here. So we are just going to collect some pips here, and then we will come out from the market. Okay, so this is the scenario. You can see price is pointing up, which seems to be uptrend. Okay, so when we quickly check on this, we have this trend line intact here, which has been broken now, which leads me to pick this trade right here. Okay, so I will go and come back to check on this trade, see how it plays out. Okay, we just want to take some pips out of this market, and we'll leave this. And then today is Friday too, we don't need to rush the market too much. Okay, so let's go and come back to check on this trade. So in some minutes later, this is what we have right here. We have moved into massive profit. So we have an order block here, so I have to exit all these trades now. Okay, sorry for that. So I have to exit and then look for another opportunity. So that is how we trade. Due to this order block here, I have to exit. So if I see an entry trigger, I will enter a selling opportunity, guys. So this is how simple you have to trade this market in order to win always. So goodbye.